Hey, yo, what up, everybody? It's Andrew Stoval. And I got to shoot this video for my coach and my mentor, man. Shout out to Dr. Opie. Man, you did it, man. The Netpreneur franchise system, the best thing that ever happened to me, bro. Like I ain't never think I could make money online, especially in my first 24 hours. But in my first 72 hours, I made over $550, man, just following the plug-and-play steps that you gave me. Them 3 complete systems, oh my goodness, man, they unbelievable. But I'll be honest, wasn't nothing better than a 30-minute Skype call. Like a lot of like mentors and coaches say they help you, but you called me for that 30 minutes, man. We really bonded, we really connected. You helped me connect the X's and O's, man. And I'm a better internet marketer, network marketer because of you, man. Like I'm a real professional. I can tell my friends like I'm making thousands online, man. It's all because of you, Dr. Opie. And the training that you gave me, man, I appreciate that so much, man. I got to tell y'all something. You can start right now for $1 trial, man. You can start for $1 trial, and you can head in the direction to change your life, man. Dr. Opie, Netpreneur franchise system. It's A1, bro. You got to check it out, man. Peace.